Are you struggling with low energy, poor stamina, or a decreased sex drive that's affecting your confidence in relationships? You're not alone. Many men experience a decline in prostate health as they age, which can lead to reduced testosterone levels, frequent bathroom visits, discomfort, and a lack of intimacy. Ignoring these problems can make things worse over time, leading to frustration, stress, and even long-term health complications. That's where ProstaVive comes in. ProstaVive is a powerful, natural formula designed to restore and maintain prostate health, improve blood flow, and boost testosterone production, which together help reignite your sex drive and overall vitality. By supporting a healthy prostate, ProstaVive allows you to enjoy better stamina, more confidence, and renewed passion in your intimate life. The unique blend of herbs, vitamins, and minerals in ProstaVive works synergistically to target the root causes of prostate issues, ensuring long-lasting results. Without proper care, prostate problems can rob you of your energy, reduce your quality of life, and keep you from enjoying the moments that matter most. But with ProstaVive, you have a natural and effective way to feel younger, stronger, and more alive again. Don't wait until the problems get worse. Take control of your health, boost your sex drive, and reclaim your vitality with ProstaVive today. ProstaVive is more than just a prostate health formula. It's a natural way to reignite your passion. By improving blood flow and supporting healthy testosterone levels, this product helps increase sex drive and stamina. With consistent use, you'll feel more confident